I found one of the newest AI content niches, and it's already going insanely viral across social media. Yes, I'm talking about these Rubik's Cube object-making videos. They're creative, ridiculously satisfying, and honestly, some of the most visually unique AI content I've seen lately. You can create videos like these in less than 5 minutes. No complicated editing, no expensive software, and you don't need to be an AI expert. First, I've created a master prompt for you guys, and you'll find the link in the description. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt and open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral Rubik's Cube video ideas for you. You can choose literally any idea you like, but if you want even more options, there's a really simple trick. Just type more and hit send. And just like that, ChatGPT generates other fresh ideas. For this example, I'm going with number 6, dragon. So I simply type 6 into the prompt box and hit send. And as you can see, ChatGPT now generates an extremely detailed video prompt specifically designed for that concept. It's incredible. I simply copy the entire video prompt carefully, and once it's copied, I open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and make sure you select the Omni Flash video model. Now, simply paste the video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Then, just wait at least a minute for the video to finish generating. And there you go. Our video's ready. Now, take a look at this. The result looks exactly like what we wanted. Creative, detailed, visually satisfying, and the Rubik's Cube transformation makes the whole thing incredibly eye-catching. And the best part is this is only one idea. Your video is now completely ready to upload to YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Using this exact same workflow, you can create endless variations with completely different objects, shapes, characters, and designs. So, if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe channel Shaiman Hub and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.